Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Zapier to automate video uploads step by step clearly. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to the Zapier website. If you don't already have an account, click the sign up button to create one. If you have an account, simply click login and enter your credentials. Once logged in, click on Make a Zap to create a new automation. Choose the app you want to connect for video uploads. For instance, you can select Google Drive or Dropbox as your source. After selecting your source app, choose the trigger event that initiates the upload. Follow the prompts to connect your chosen app to Zapier. You'll need to authorize Zapier to access your app by logging into that account. A pop-up will appear asking you to grant permissions. Review the permissions requested and click Allow to proceed. Next, you'll set up the trigger by selecting the specific folder or file type. Once configured, test your trigger to ensure Zapier can find your file. After a successful test, click Continue to proceed to the next step. Now, you need to select your destination app for video uploads. Choose the platform where you want to upload your videos, such as YouTube. Select the appropriate action event for your chosen destination app. Connect that app to Zapier following a similar authorization process. Once connected, you will have the option to set the details for the video upload. Fill in the required fields such as video title, description, and visibility settings. Use the data pulled from your trigger app to dynamically populate these fields. After setting everything up, test the action to confirm that Zapier can upload a video successfully. If the test is successful, click on Turn on Zap to activate your automation. You have now successfully authenticated and set up automation for video uploads using Zapier. Your process is now streamlined, saving you time and effort in sharing your content. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.